Good morning, students. Today's topic is volume of a sphere. Chapter Surface Areas and Volumes, exercise 13.8 from NCERT book. Question number 1. So before you start, we want to discuss something about sphere. So, what is the surface area of the sphere? So we know surface area, that means total surface area and curved surface area of a sphere are same, and that is 4 pi r square. R is the radius of the sphere, and volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the radius of the sphere, and volume of the hemisphere, that is half of the sphere, is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So let's start. First question. Question number 1 is, find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter and 0.63 centimeter. Find the volume of a sphere. So we know formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula. The volume of a sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, equal to, and sphere radius is given 7 centimeter. So 4 by 3 and pi is 22 by 7. 7 into 7 into 7 because of r cube. And calculating this, we get 4312 by 3 centimeter cube. So this short type question, and this is the volume of the sphere. Now in second question, same type question, radius is 0.63 centimeter. Okay. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 pi 22 by 7 into 0.63 cube. So 0.63 means 63 by 100. So 4 by 3, 22 by 7, 63 by 100, 63 by 100 into 63 by 100. So sphere, that is, calculating this, we get 1.05 meter cube. So this is the volume of the sphere. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2 is, find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical hull of diameter 28 centimeter and 0.21 meter. Okay. The amount of water. So amount of water we have to find, and diameter is given. The first one, diameter is 28 centimeter. So radius is 28 by 2, 14 centimeter. Now according to the question, volume of water replaced equal to volume of spherical hull. Now this is volume of spherical hull. So 4 by 3 pi r cube formula. So 4 by 3 pi 22 by 7, and radius is 14. That is 14 into 14 into 14. So it is 34496 by 3. This is volume of spherical ball. Now second one is, diameter is 0.21 meter. So radius is 0.21 by 2 meter. Now according to question, 4 by 3 volume of water replaced means volume. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi is 22 by 7, and radius is 0.21 by 2, 0.21 by 2 and 0.21 by 2. And 0.21 by 2 means 21 by 2 into 100, that is 21 by 200. Then this, and By cancellation we get 11 into 441 by 100 into 100 into 100, that is 0.004851 meter cube. Now next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, one metallic ball means sphere shape, so diameter is given 4.2. What is the mass of the ball? If the metal weighs 8.9 gram per centimeter cube, so diameter is 4.2 centimeter, the radius is 4.2 by 2, that is 2.1 centimeter. Now question is, what is the mass of the ball? If the metal weighs 8.9 gram per centimeter cube, so centimeter cube, that means you have to find volume because of unit centimeter cube. Centimeter cube unit means volume, so we know 4 by 3 pi r cube, and r is 2.1, so 4 by 3 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. Now 4 by 3 22 by 7 and 2.1 means 21 by 10 21 by 10 21 by 10, and calculating this we get 38.808 centimeter cube. So density of metal, it is given question per centimeter cube equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube, 8.9 gram, that is mass of 1 centimeter cube 8.9 gram. Now mass of total volume is 38.808, so mass of 38.808 is multiplied by 8.9, because 1 centimeter cube equal to 8.9 gram, so into 8.9, so it is 345.3912 gram. So gram, that is approximate value 345.39 gram. So this is the weight of the ball. Now next question is question number 4. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Okay, what fraction is the volume of the moon of the volume of the earth? What fraction is the volume of the moon is the volume of the earth? That means volume of the moon and volume of the earth we have to find, and diameter is given. Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, 1/4. So if diameter of the earth be x, the radius is x by 2, and volume of earth 4 by 3 pi r cube, earth is considered to be a sphere, so 4 by 3 pi, and radius of the earth is x by 2 taken, so x by 2 into x by 2 into x by 2, that is 1 by 8 into 4 by 3 pi x cube. Now diameter of the moon, that is diameter of the moon according to question, diameter of the moon is 1 by 4 diameter of the earth, and diameter of the earth is x, so 1 by 4 into x. Now radius of the moon is x by 8, the volume of the moon is 4 by 3 pi r cube, moon considered as a sphere. Now 4 by 3 pi, so radius of the moon is x by 8, so x by 8 into x by 8 into x by 8, so it is 1 by 512 4 by 3 pi x cube, that means 1 by 64 into 1 by 8 into 4 by 3 pi x cube. And we know volume of the earth is, volume of the earth, that is 1 by 8 4 by 3 pi x cube, volume of the earth 1 by 8 4 by 3 pi x cube, and 1 by 64 into 1 by 8 4 by 3 pi x cube. That means 1 by 64 into volume of the earth. So volume of the moon is 1 by 64 the volume of the earth. Okay, next question is question number 5. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Okay, so hemispherical bowl, that means upper part is open, and how many liters of milk, that means hemispherical bowl, the volume of the hemispherical bowl we have to find, and diameter is given 10.5 centimeter. So hemispherical bowl, see the diagram, the hemisphere, so its diameter is 5.25 centimeter, diameter is 10.5 centimeter, so radius is 10.5 by 2, that is 10.5 by 2, that is 5.25. Now we know volume of the milk is hemispherical bowl, that is formula of the hemisphere volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube, half of the sphere. Now 2 by 3, 22 by 7, and radius is 5.25, 5.25. So this is the volume of the hemisphere, and 5.25 means 525 by 100. So 11 into 21 by 4 into 21 by 4, that is 303.187. It is centimeter cube. So convert into liter. We know 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So this divided by 1000, that is 0.303187 liter. So this is the volume of milk in hemispherical bowl, that is approximate value 0.303 liter. Next, question number 6 is a hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick, hemispherical tank, okay, hemisphere shape, made of iron sheet 1 centimeter thickness. If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So inner radius is given, inner radius is 1 meter, and inner radius is 1 meter, and 1 centimeter is thickness. So 1 meter means 1 centimeter inner radius, and thickness is 1 centimeter. So this part is the thickness, this part, and 100 centimeter, this is the radius, and thickness is 1 centimeter. Now, so outer radius is inner radius plus thickness. So inner radius is 100 centimeter and thickness is 1 centimeter. So 100 plus 1, that is 101 centimeter. This is the outer radius. Now volume of the iron of the hemisphere, iron is there, so total outer volume minus inner volume, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi common, r cube minus r cube. Capital R is the outer radius and small r is the inner radius. And 2 by 3 pi is 22 by 7, and outer radius is 101 and inner radius is 100. Okay. Now 101 cube and 100. Calculating this, we get 63487.81 centimeter cube. Convert into meter, that is 0.06348 meter cube divided by 100, that is centimeter to meter. So centimeter cube, then convert into meter. Now question is actually a hemispherical tank is made up of iron sheet of 1 centimeter thickness if the inner radius is 1, and find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So this type of question need inner radius and outer radius both. Actually we have to find outer volume minus inner volume, that is the actually iron sheet. So thickness is given, so outer radius and minus, that is inner radius, plus thickness, that is outer radius. So 100 plus 101 centimeter, and so the answer is 0.06348 meter cube. So this type question is important. You have to practice all the questions NCERT book. At first you practice all the questions of NCERT book and all the chapters. Okay, and example also you practice. So this much for today. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.